Hello all, in this video we're going to see about the parts of a stethoscope and how to use it. This part is called as the earpiece. The part which I'm holding now is called as tube, and this one is diaphragm, and this part is bell, and the part right below is called as the stem. Now I'm going to say how to place the earpiece properly. While placing the earpiece, you should always place like this, okay, in this position, converging medially, okay. See, right here I'm showing, no, like this you have to face. Why? Because the auditory canal of our ear is also like that. So only if we place like that, we can able to hear properly. Like this you should not place, you cannot hear properly, okay. You should always place like this. Now I'm going to say how to on the stethoscope. It's very simple. You just have to hold the stem part of the stethoscope and you have to just give a twist. That time you will hear a click sound, okay. So after twisting, just tap the diaphragm and see whether you are able to hear it or not. So it is very simple, okay, like this. This diaphragm part of the stethoscope is used to hear high frequency sounds such as heart sound, bowel sounds, etc. Whereas this bell part of the stethoscope is used to hear low frequency sounds such as murmur of heart, etc. Okay, so this is a simple video. Hope you found something useful. Thank you for watching.